Welcome to Universal Group of Institutions. I, Dean Dr. Vikas Sharma. Today we organized a very fruitful boot camp in artificial intelligence in association with the study course, where our two representatives and founders, IIMs, Madam Jasmine and Sir Gabaji is with us. We have already in connection with them for last 15 days. Today we have a fruitful meeting at the college campus premises, and we associated with them on two platforms on the workshop training and the faculty development program. So I am handing over the mic to Madam Jasmine, who will elaborate about the students' interaction and the faculty development program. Please, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. I am Jasmine, the co-founder of StudyKosh, and StudyKosh has successfully collaborated with Universal Group of Institutions. For the betterment of students, we have our exclusive training program, which would be a part of their curriculum to brush up their communication skills. For their speedy calculations, we are introducing with Universal Group the Vedic Maths.
Madam, kindly briefly elaborate about the soft skills program which we are going to organize at the campus.
What happens is, soft skill, how they are significant is, once a student sits for an interview, it is based on its communication skills. Even if a student, how much technically proficient he or she is, what plays a significant role in getting into a good MNC, be it in India, be it overseas, this is just the comm skills. Whether working as a freelancer. So our exclusive training program includes different accents of English. What are the grammatical mistakes to be avoided? What are the accents that you should catch up in a certain way so that you can understand it better? What are the dialects? What are the plosives? What are the phonetics? Phonetics itself is a very huge thing which directly relates to pronunciation. So every module, exclusive 12 modules are there which will be imparted towards the students. It will help them in their academics, in their presentations, in sitting for an interview, preparing their resumes, how to participate in certain debate competitions, how to be fluent in communication, everything. So this is a 360-degree program for the students.
Thank you, ma'am. Next question. In every student's mind, it would be the huge cost. It would be definitely a huge cost. But what would it cost? Because as I discussed with the StudyKosh founders, they only say this is only 1 rupees per day. So ma'am, kindly brief it.
Both of these programs are designated in a certain scenario after complete research. If I talk about the soft skills, to learn a language at minimum side takes 6 to 8 months to enhance your skills. So likewise, we have kept the duration of the program as well as the costing, which costs to 1 rupee per day. So I think that's more or less of even quite less than your pocket money that you are spending. So it's a great opportunity to learn your communication skills, enhance your language, learn the maths calculation with just 1 rupee per day.
Thank you, ma'am. It means the entire cost of the one year session, it would be cost around 250. So for 365 days, it would be cost only 250 rupees for the session. So because we have the students from the very poor background area, but now what I feel now, the students will definitely be benefited in this particular rural area. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for this association. Thank you, ma'am.